Swag flag.
S-A-double-D-I-Q. Yo, he wanna get involved with you. It's the S-A double.
We did it. Rusky secretly admires Justin Bieber. Dude, what is wrong with you? No, just kidding. That's fine. Not gonna lie, I think Justin Bieber has a couple good songs. Like, people hate on him for like almost no reason. Like, there is a reason to hate him, but poor guy. Like, the guy only makes like billions of dollars every year. Okay, not billions, but millions of dollars every year. If you think about it, he's kind of like Casey Tron. He takes a bunch of hate, but like he gets paid for it. But it's just like scaled like greatly, you know? It's okay, poor guy. Wouldn't want to be him, you know what I mean? Think about it though. Alright, I'm going in team. Boom! Where's the brand ulti? Where is it at? Where's it at? Did I just cancel my ult? I think I did. I just canceled my ulti. Bam! The jukes for days. Got my juke shoes on. Oh, baited up, and bam! Oh my gosh.